Take 4. Hello everyone. I don't know what is going on. I have tried to do this video. This is the 4th time. I keep getting interrupted. Anyway, guys, y'all know Miss Cat loves a surprise. I love surprising people with fantastic giveaways during my lives. Mediocre giveaways sometimes, but usually pretty fantastic ones. And I like giving great bingo prizes, mostly donated, which I appreciate so much. But this morning I put up my Trashy to Treasures Thursday video, and I created a junk journal cover, which I will continue next Thursday to make the journal for it. But what I didn't tell anyone, I kept a total secret, was the first 3 people who I had mailing addresses for, I was going to send them a kit. Yep, they're getting a kit. And they are Melody Made, Ozark Ladies Creative Moods, and Crafting with Passion. Now here's the requirement to get a kit. You have to make videos. And I'm challenging them to create a video showing how they make their journal cover. It doesn't have to be made like mine. It can be cut, it can have a spine added to it, any way they want to make a cover for a journal. Secondly, I'm going to be loading kits as fast as I can get them into my shop. I will always make something on my channel and say this kit is now in my Etsy shop, and the link will be down below. The first however many people I decide to give kits for that particular project away for, it depends on how many I've made. Let's say if I make 10 kits or something, I'll probably give away 5. If I make 5, I'll probably give away 1. But it's to get other people putting up more videos, being creative, and driving traffic to my Etsy shop. I'm not even going to lie about it. Because the requirement will be, you're going to have to use the hashtag I create, which I haven't created yet. I'll put it on here when I figure out what it's going to be. And each one of them will have the hashtag. Then with the next kits, I will already have a hashtag ready. So, if you have not ever bought from me, if you have not ever won a prize, and you would like to participate and have a chance at winning a prize, winning the kit, my email is in the description box down below here. All you have to do is email me. In the subject line, put kit participant, because, or just say kit, because I get a lot of spam mail and I usually just breeze through clicking and deleting. So if I don't see those words in the description box, in the subject box, I probably won't even open it. But I'll add you to my address list, and you have to be a subscriber bound to participate. You know, this is to help my subscribers as well as myself. You have to use the hashtag that I create to go with this, and you have to make videos. Not just sending them out to everybody that has a YouTube channel that doesn't do videos, because the purpose is to show different ways that each kit can be used by each person's different creative abilities or their creative ideas. So if you're interested, email me, and these 3 will go out with Monday night's bingo prizes. So we shall see you soon, and I hope some of you want to participate. Bye.